Joyful Jamboree!
Are you ready, T-Rex?
It's magic blender time. It's magic.
It's almost done. Let's start with this red strawberry. Let's start the magic blender. Wow, this is amazing.
Look, it's red-colored juice.
It's time for juice. It's time for juice. Yummy.
Wow, the T-Rex has turned red.
Start the blender.
First, let's add blue color berries. Hey, puppy! Here comes the juice. Oh my God! That puppy has turned into a blue color.
Now it's my turn.
This time, let's add these yellow color bananas.
Let's peel the bananas and put it in the blender. Hey, elephant, wait, I will give it to you. Hey, elephant, look, you turned into yellow color.
Let's take this purple grapes and add into blender.
Now it's time for the magic. Come on, Cat, have it.
You are the best.
Oh no, it's turning into purple color.
You're looking awesome.
Wow, all the pets change into different colors. Let's try for one last time.
It's the green color apple.
Shall we see what is gonna happen?
Wow, they are back to normal. Bye-bye, kids. Let's meet again. Bye.
Hey, look at all those alphabets.
John, let's put them back.
Yeah, let's do it.
Listen, animals, we got work to do.
Oh, wow. Guys, I got it. It's 8.
Hey, Jan, be here.
Let's put into the cardboard box.
Yeah.
It's C and D.
E, F.
Yes.
Look, it's G, H.
Guys, I and J. Wow, it's KL.
La la la. M. N. It's O and P.
Q and R.
Safe here. It's S and T.
Oh, yeah! U and V.
Guys, almost done.
S, T.
U and V.
W, X, Y, Z.
Slow and steady, guys.
Well done, guys!
It's picnic time, Mia. Let's have donuts.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hello, Leo and Mia!
What do we have here?
Wow, donuts! I love them!
Oh, Dino is hungry. Let's share. Here, take one.
Five take away one. How many left?
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yeah, that's right!
Here, take one more.
I love it!
Bye-bye, Dinosaur. See you again.
4 take away 1 is
3.
1, 2, and 3.
Look, it's a dog.
Here, take one.
3 take away 1 is
2.
bye-bye. Hey, Cat, here is your donut.
2 take away 1 is...
1.
Bye-bye, Cat. Here, take one donut, Elephant. Bye, Elephant. See you again. 1 take away 1 is...
0.
All gone. Good job counting. Hi, children. Let's learn colors today with animals.
We have animal structures here.
Hey, John! Why aren't they moving?
Okay, Cat, come on, get up.
Hi, guys. I brought something for you.
Hi, Lily.
Hi, Lily.
I bought you a magic wand. With this magic wand, we can help the animals. And I brought some balloons, too.
It's a green dinosaur.
Hi, Dinosaur. With this magic wand and balloons, we can bring them to life. And I got an orange balloon for the cat. Abracadabra.
It's an orange cat.
It's time for elephants! Abracadabra.
That is a blue elephant. It's a brown dog. Those colors are green, blue, orange, and brown.